So as you can see, well, because the screen is because the screen got all messed up, all cracked up, so sometimes it gets a little bit hard because you want to be very careful it doesn't even break the screen. So this glass is quite messed up. So as you can see all these bla blemishes. You can see all that. It's really hard to take out. Other than it's a regular stains, I recommend isopropyl. Isopropyl 99%, 91%, just about 90 upward. It could take it off. But I tried that on this. It's not gonna work because the gum is at the top. And normally the gum should be there without all this. Can you see all this? These are quite being messed up because of the screen. The screen it was really hard to take out. So I had to take a total precaution in order not to mix up the glass. Yeah, I was referring to the glass, not the screen. Um, so well, what we really want to do after taking out the glass, you try to clean it up to the best of your ability. You make sure you keep where is it? Uh, Hope I don't miss it. I'm looking for that button. Yep. Okay, I found it. And here's the button. You replace the button back. And when it has been replaced, you take out the glass. Take out the glass. You make sure your hand doesn't touch inside the glass, so you don't start messing up the glass. Uh, so what we're gonna do is to place it inside. And you're good to go. You can see that I actually didn't use any gum, anything like that. I didn't use it because the gum, the original gum is still active. It's still working. So I probably want to leave that. So there is nothing much we could do about it. Too much we could do about it. So you want to pull the battery inside just to check if you probably broke the screen. Who knows? I hope not though. So let me put on the battery and see if everything is fine. Put on the memory card. Put on the memory card. There goes the SIM card. So the battery. As you can see, I didn't even take out the screws. You don't really need to take out the screws once you're just changing the glass. So that's one thing about it. Once you're just changing the glass, you don't need to take out any screw. The next thing you want to do is put out the back cover. So put on the back cover. I don't know if I have the pen or not. I'm not really sure. So you just turn it on. Turn it on to see what's going on. So there you go. Samsung Galaxy Note 3, nothing wrong with it. It's been changed, and yeah, you got a new soft touch. Well, I wish the screen wasn't really broken. It would have been better. So oftentimes it's really good if there is a scratch on it, then you'll be able to change it really quickly, so without messing up the screen. But now there's a lot to it, you know. There is a lot to it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. You can subscribe. Oh, I appreciate that. Subscribe so I can make more videos, and this is gonna help. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.